Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do a makeup look with this palette. It is the 35M palette. It's really pretty, thanks to one of my best friends. It was my Christmas present. So let's get started. I got this at Forever 21. I've never tried it, so let's see how it works. It smells weird. For foundation, the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous in the shade Golden 10. I'm taking my Damp Beauty blender. Okay, for concealer, I'll be using the Fit Me Maybelline, I don't know, in the shade 25. To set it, I'll be using this on the shade 225, and I'm using a new brush, Real Perfection in brush number 2. For bronzer or contour, I don't know, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche. I'll be using this brush in number 3 for my contour. Okay, I'm using translucent powder to cut my contour. What's the and also right here for baking. Now to the brow, I'll be using my e.l.f. brush in number 203. My NYX brow pomade in the shade Black. To carve my eyebrows, I'll be using the Age Rewind Maybelline concealer in the shade Ivory. It's kind of light, but like I'm just using it for my eyeshadow base too. And with the sponge, I'm just blend it. Also in this part, I'm gonna dust away the powder with this and number 6. We'll be using this one again to set the concealer, and this brush that doesn't have a name, I'm gonna use this part. We'll be using the Morphe palette. The first shade will be this orange. It's called Fired Up. With this brush, number 10. I'll link all the brushes below. I'll be putting it on in my crease. To blend it, and I'll be using number 8. And then blend it. Then I'll be using the number 15 brush and Red Carpet. This one right here. And putting that on the sides. It's gonna be a halo eye. So pretty. And also on the crease, I'll be taking this brush again with Fired Up to blend. And to blend it. And to cut the halo thingy, I'll be using this one again and this brush. What you want to do is close your eye and then just do a straight line down and then look up so you know where your crease is at, and then just do like fill, like I'm not gonna explain it, just put it in the middle. I know it looks messy, but later we're gonna fix it. Then I'll be using the shade Bright Ice, this coppery eyeshadow. I'll be using with my finger because I tried it with the brush and like it wasn't that bright. I'll be taking this brush again with red carpet and just like fix it. I'll be taking brush number 20, just like a small pencil brush with red carpet. Also, I'm placing that on top, like on my crease, blending it so it won't be a harsh line. I'll be taking my liner. I won't be doing a wing eyeliner, but just for the eyelashes. The eyelashes I will be using are the Miss Lashes MSO3, and using I think it's a Kiss eyelash glue. Now my eyelashes. I'll be doing the other eye off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Now I'm moving on to highlight the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. Tip of my nose. Oh my god, so pretty. The bridge of my nose. On my brow bone. On the inner part of my eye. I'll be using number 17 fan brush. Cupid's bow. And I got this also from Forever 21. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys liked it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn your bell thingy so it can send you a notification whenever I posted something. Please comment what you want to see next in the next video. Hopefully you guys liked it. I think I already said that, but I don't know. Bye.